handstand, tuck, back to wall. In this tutorial, we'll cover the back to wall tuck handstand, an effective drill to master balance and control in the tuck handstand position. Proper hand placement is crucial and varies depending on individual limb length and flexibility. As a general guideline, hands are typically placed about 20 to 30 centimeters from the wall. The closer you place the hands to the wall, the easier it will be to get the thighs parallel to the floor while keeping your toes on the wall and shifting into the tuck. When the hands are further away from the wall, the tuck position won't be as tight. Experiment to find what position works best for your body type. Place your hands on the floor or parallettes, P-bars, then kick into handstand with your back to the wall. Legs straight and body forming a straight diagonal line from wrist through to ankle. Push tall through your shoulders and focus on externally rotating the shoulders by twisting your hands into the floor or into the P-bars towards your pinky fingers. This helps to create stability and helps to keep the shoulders elevated and the elbows locked. Choose a focal point on the floor. When using P-bars, this focal point should be between the pinky fingers. If your hands are on the floor, the focal point is between the first knuckles of your thumbs. Vertically align your eyes above this imaginary line to maintain an open shoulder angle and assist with balance. From here, slowly flex your knees and hips to bring your thighs down towards your chest while keeping your big toes gently touching the wall. Focus on keeping the ankles, knees, and thighs pressed together to maintain tension and control in the lower body. Depending on your hand placement, your thighs should move towards becoming parallel to the floor. Maintain a strong vertical alignment of the wrists, elbows, and shoulders. Avoid shifting your shoulders back towards the wall. This will close the shoulder angle and make it harder to find balance in the tuck handstand. You should feel slightly more weight in your fingertips than in your palms. You're going to need to pay close attention to the weight under your hands. Use the fingers and wrists to actively push into the floor, creating the control needed to lift your toes gently off the wall and move into a freestanding tuck handstand. You want to avoid pushing off the wall with your feet, as this reduces your ability to learn proper balance and control. Gently press down with your fingers and wrists to generate the lift needed to float the toes off the wall. As the toes lift off, lower your thighs slightly, aiming for them to become parallel to the floor while maintaining an open shoulder angle. Do not allow the shoulders to move closer to the wall. Keep pushing tall and think about pushing your chest up towards your thighs. Hold the balanced tuck handstand for 5 to 30 seconds, maintaining careful attention to shift the weight to control both overbalance, which is falling towards the wall, and underbalance, which is falling off the wall. The key cues to focus on are continuously pushing tall through the shoulders, keeping the knees, ankles, and thighs squeezed together, maintaining an open shoulder angle, actively using the fingers to maintain balance and adjustments. Move slowly and deliberately. Begin with 3 to 5 sets of short balance holds, lasting for 5 to 15 seconds each. Then, as you get better, try to increase the holds to 20 to 30 seconds. The back to wall tuck handstand drill is excellent for building the strength, positioning, and balance necessary for freestanding tuck handstands. Practice, patience, and prioritizing quality movements over quantity is going to help you progress the fastest. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.